We're here in the Shenandoah Valley at a local florist and farm market to show off flowers from the garden into the house. Floral arrangements are so fun to get and so easy to make. And of course, you can always purchase something like this dahlia bouquet from your local florist to bring inside. But what if you want to bring your own flowers in and you're like me, a little bit artistically challenged on how to do such a lovely arrangement? There are some really cool tricks from the florist trade, and this is a flower frog. It has pins on the inside. It's a small vase, so it's only a couple of inches tall, very heavy weight. So even the largest single blossom will not pull this over. So all you have to do is go outside, maybe find your favorite zinnia and stick it right in. Add water and your flower's good to go. When you get flowers from your local florist, you probably get the powdered mix, that's the flower saver. Mix that into the water and that will help your flowers last longer. The other thing you can do is as you notice the flowers getting a little tired, pull those out and then freshen up the water every day if you remember, and just keep taking the ones that look a little sad away. The rest of the flowers may look wonderful then for extra days. If you notice the end of the flowers that are looking good, getting a little brown or dark discoloration, give that a fresh cut, put it back in your water, and your flowers will last for much longer. Here in the garden, I'm surrounded by zinnias, celosia, dahlias, sunflowers, many different wonderful flowers, like a sunflower where you just need one blossom to make a gorgeous bouquet. So if you want to cut something interesting, just go out in the garden, find something like this celosia head that looks interesting to you, different maybe than just one flower blossom. Give it a cut and in the water it goes. And then you have your flowers from your garden inside looking lovely. Think about growing zinnias, dahlias, and sunflowers. Here in the Shenandoah Valley, dahlias would have to be lifted and all the rest are annuals. Dahlias are a bulb that you can plant and replant and enjoy every year for your wonderful cut flowers that come straight from your garden into your home. Enjoy.